interest rates are rising, unemployment is rising, inflation is rising, market time is rising. It seems like everything else is going against being what you want to consider a successful realtor. Okay. But here's the thing. I've been doing this for 22 years as of last August. 22 years I've been in the business. I've been through ups. I've been through downs. I've been through ups. I've been through downs. But the one thing that I've always realized is it all comes back to buyers and sellers' motivation. Through any market, people are buying and selling real estate. It's just what may happen is instead of talking to two people with a pulse and one of them want to sell, you need to dig in a little harder and speak to 10 to 15 people to find that one solid, motivated client, okay? But the difference right now in this market where we can thrive, just listen to what I'm telling you here, is that expireds are coming back. For sale by owners are not selling, which gives us the ability to elicit a new type of business. Yes, there are tons of agents that did very, very well for themselves during the COVID time, tons of agents. But the real agents, the ones that are here for the long haul, are going to thrive over the next couple of years because you're going to do the work, you're going to put in the time, you're going to put in the effort, and you're going to find those motivated buyers and sellers because you can be as scared as you like. The reality of it is every single day, people are buying and selling real estate. So it is our job to go out there, find those people, and help them do what they need to do.